Hey guys, Caleb here. Today I'm applying a ceramic coat to my Cervelo Caledonia and my NV45 wheels. I provide a list of tools, products, and quick tips along the video, so I'll just be sharing thoughts about the general process here. The process took me about 2 to 3 hours, from taking off components, wiping down with isopropyl alcohol, ceramic coating the bike and wheels, to reinstalling the crankset. Removing the crankset was a difficult decision because I'd never done it before and needed to buy some tools. But there was a great Part Tools video on how to remove the Shimano crankset, and once I got around to it, it was quite simple. Removing the crankset would help me get to the area behind the chainring, which is very difficult to reach when it's on. Everything I learned about ceramic coating is from the YouTuber Pan the Organizer. Highly recommend checking out his channel. Because this is a brand new bike that I've yet to ride outside, I skipped to just the isopropyl wipe down prep stage. I also covered the bottom bracket with tape, just in case not to get any ceramic on the bottom bracket. Just a quick note, if you're planning to ceramic coat your bike, you'll want to go through all the steps one would do for a car, like washing, degreasing, polishing, clay wax, before the alcohol wipe down and ceramic coat. There are actually still things I forgot to do, which I will be finishing up the day after. For instance, my right crankset shaft seemed to have no grease on it. I bought it from Summit Cycles from California, so I have to take that apart again and apply the grease. Secondly, I forgot to buy a replacement chain pin for the chain. This was annoying as I had no idea I had to reinstall a new pin every time I took the chain off. So don't forget to research your chain and see if you need to buy a new pin. I repeated the steps for the wheels and then applied an entire second ceramic coat for the frame, which I didn't really show you here as it's pretty redundant. In hindsight, I don't know if it was entirely worth it, as I ended up putting a bunch of helicopter tape on certain areas as well, but it was a really fun DIY project. I'll show you a few B-roll shots after a few rides, but thanks for watching, and if it inspired you to ceramic coat or not to ceramic coat, share your thoughts, like, and subscribe.